I sometimes get asked, hey, can we do a day in the life of Gwenivere? I honestly think you'd be bored out of your mind or you'd have anxiety, because from the time I get up to the time I make dinner, I am in and out of my car, on the phone, meeting people. I have the most structured day that by the end of the day, I'm purely exhausted. And I think sometimes we've been portrayed as realtors in a way that's maybe not so favorable, so people don't know how hard we work. I have had clients where I've shown 100 homes before we found the right one. And I've had another client that walks in on the second one and says, wrap it up. Sometimes I've taken a year, and it's just during that time, you're not getting paid because you're putting your client first. You want to find them the best property because it's one of their biggest investments. But I think that sometimes people don't realize how much work we do behind the scenes and for them, because it's not talked about. It's tried to be glamorized. And there are some days where it's just not so glamorous. And we really do work hard. I definitely work hard.